What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Before I begin this video, I just want to say again how much I really appreciate your engagement and your interaction on my videos. I really appreciate your support and your love to this channel. For those people who don't know, this channel is basically a space for everything that is related to the blockchain technology and the crypto space, news, hidden gems, projects reviews, and all of that. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, definitely subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can receive my videos whenever I get them out for you guys. I also have a Telegram channel which you will find in the description of the video, and a Twitter account that you can follow for more crypto news. In this video, I want to share with you guys a major crypto update that is happening nowadays, which is the Binance potential fallout. If you guys are on Twitter, you will definitely see that a lot of people are talking, and there's a lot of FUD going on right now, especially towards targeting the Binance exchange, which is the #1 leading exchange right now. All of this originated from the FTX debacle and the FTX fallout and bankruptcy, which I already have a video on if you want to check it out. And if you're not aware, there is a congressional hearing about the FTX bankruptcy, and Kevin O'Leary is called to testify and say his own piece about this. And during his talk, he also mentioned that Binance was one of the biggest reasons why FTX had to declare bankruptcy. Basically, he said that Binance put them out of business. Kevin O'Leary then said that Binance is an exchange that is not regulated and that is not secure, that is not registered, and it's not a platform that people should use for trading. To which Binance CEO says they had to respond to in an interview with CNBC, saying that Binance is a complete legit platform. Basically, this is the point of everything that he said. He also reassured basically people that they have enough reserve and they have enough funds, and the company generates enough revenue from the fees. Regardless of all of that and all of these reassurances, there was and there is still a lot of FUD going on regarding the Binance fallout and regarding the Binance bankruptcy, potential bankruptcy as well. You can see it all over Twitter that a lot of people are having major doubts and major concerns as to whether Binance can rise from and recover from this setback, because there is also a major problem that basically spurred people's concerns and doubts, which is the audit that was just deleted from Mazar's website. Amid all these crazy events, Binance saw a $2 billion withdrawal in just 24 hours, which was so crazy. And this is one of the reasons that again made people question Binance and basically made people concerned as whether Binance has enough reserve, has enough funds, so that people can withdraw their assets or their funds from the exchange when they want to. There was even a halt on the STASIS withdrawal for a little while. This of course is going to affect crypto on a large and a very big scale in case Binance falls out, and in case Binance faces bankruptcy as well. This is probably gonna be the end of crypto as we know it for a little while, because of course crypto always finds its way to rise back up. But if Binance falls out, it's gonna be a major setback for crypto and crypto users as well, and for traders and for big investors as well, especially Bitcoin, because as I said earlier, Binance is one of the leading exchanges in the world nowadays. They are also one of the biggest shareholders on Twitter as well, which Elon Musk owns now. So if Binance falls out, a lot of things are definitely going to be affected. A lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of altcoins as well might go downhill with Binance as well. I'm crossing my fingers so that it doesn't, but I do hope that CZ, owner of Binance, pulls his stuff together and makes sure his exchange is fully audited and regulated and registered if possible as well. On that note, and besides everything that I mentioned, I've also brought another cool project for you guys to check out. You're definitely going to be impressed with this project because it delivers, or it brings, a cool product for the crypto market that users will definitely be impressed with. So without further ado, let me show you what this project is. Here is the project official website, and as you guys can see with me here, the project is called STASIS, and I don't know if you guys heard of it, but the main mission of this project and the main product or the service that this project brings to the crypto market is the bridging of the gap between the centralized finance and the off-chain market. If you want to find more information about this particular area of the project, you can just click here and it'll take you to more details. If you guys scroll down, you will find that STASIS is a revolutionary step towards combining the vast potential of the cryptocurrency market with stability and reliability of traditional currencies. This project aims to adopt the stability and reliability of crypto and among crypto users, of course, to provide more security for traders, for investors, and for projects themselves or cryptocurrencies themselves. So this project is definitely going to be a step up of crypto, and it's definitely going to pump up the way that people look at crypto, because nowadays you can, as I just said earlier, there is just, you know, a lot of cryptocurrencies, a lot of projects are falling out basically because of their, you know, low security standards and low regulation. But this project right here aims for crypto projects and aims for cryptocurrencies to be more stable, more reliable, and more secure. Of course, this is all for the crypto users. It also brings the power of the blockchain to traditional asset classes. So it uses the blockchain. So this project, or the team behind this project, uses the power and the blockchain technology and adapts it or implements it on traditional asset classes. In here you will find some of the services that this project offers, and it is the security of the smart contracts, making them more secure, third-party audits, total regularity, compliance, and custodial services. STASIS provides full-service tokenization platform including smart contract creation, third-party audits, custodial services, and deep expertise in current regularity environments. So some of the services that a lot of new projects or hidden gems that could definitely benefit from, especially the audits, of course, and the smart contract creation and the custodial services. So this project is definitely a standpoint for a lot of crypto projects that are definitely gonna come up next year, of course, and this year still. So they could definitely use one of the services that this project offers. They also have an application backed by the App Store and Google Play as well for people who want to benefit from using the services of this project on their phone. You will find it on Google Play as well as App Store. In here you will find a little window into their mission which you can read. I will leave again the links in the description of the video. Here you will find that the EURS stablecoin combines the benefits of blockchain technology with the reputation and relative stability of euro. Most cryptocurrency holders are subject to significant volatility and counterparty risk. EURS mitigates these risks by letting users hold a stable digital asset transparently backed by euro reserves. So this project also offers a stable coin called EURS, which mitigates the risks of the crypto market volatility, right? Because even we can see that a lot of stable coins can also fall out of their price even though they are stable, right? Because of the volatility of crypto. But this one right here is backed by the euro reserve, so it mitigates the risks of being a volatile stable coin as well, and at the same time users can hold this as a stable coin digital asset. In here, if you scroll down, you will find that their on-chain asset balances are transparent by design, and here is the GR and advisory details or description which you can read about as well. The STASIS issuing companies owned by and held accountable to the STASIS Foundation, a special purpose foundation set up under the laws of the Isle of Man. The goal of the foundation is to provide oversight of the STASIS companies through a board of multiple directors, ensuring that no one or no person ever has control of the company's assets, including the reserve accounts for EURS and other tokenized assets. You can of course read more about this when you check their website. Here is they are on multiple social media you will find that they are on Telegram, and if you click here it'll take you to their Telegram, and they have a channel with over 1,000 subscribers. You can just join the channel by clicking here and click unmute, and you'll definitely be notified and updated on a daily basis. They're also on Facebook and GitHub and Medium and LinkedIn as well if you want to check those out, but I encourage you guys to join their Telegram channel so you can stay updated. If you want to get their stablecoin EURS, you can just click here and it'll take you to the page where you can just create a new account or just sign in if you already have one, and you're good to go. Based on this analysis that I've given you guys, I think this project definitely is worth a shot in the crypto market, because as I said, a project is worth a lot more when it has a service for the crypto community. So I think it's worth checking out. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description, so please give it a try. Just check it out, read all the information, and I think you'll definitely like what you find. If you guys like this video, please give it a big like, and please don't forget to join my Telegram channel, my Twitter account, which you will find in the description of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, and I hope I catch you on the next.